So, what pots are we using?
Mate, don't bring your own pots. There's already pots in here. It's bloody easy crabbing. Got this nice buck already. Bloody easy. Piece of piss.
Sounds like a good idea. Let's do it then.
Nice spot here.
Oh look, there's one there.
Yeah, let's get this dog. See, this has got anything. Last one did. Nothing. Got rid of those back. Who's that? Oh shit. Oi mate! You take that pot! You take that pot! Run!
Run!
I saw you! Run! Get that pot! That crab was Come here! Get out of here! Let's get out of here! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, the expert, back. I'm a fishing expert, nature expert. Some say I'm the ultimate package. Just walk along this beach here. It's pretty isolated here. So, we're just looking for a bit of food. We've had some long days under the sun fishing. So you've got to make sure you get the right calories in. Just walk along. Oh! This right here, this is a prickleback passion fruit. This is a yellow one here. These are pretty good chewing. Give you lots of calories too, which is very good. Oh, lovely. Done some?
I'm good.
More for me. Bloody lovely. Get the bloody video.
You sure we can go down here? It's pretty shallow, mate.
You seriously questioning me? I know this river like the back of my hand.
Alright. What's going on?
Just stuck. Cut the video.
But I thought you knew what you're doing, mate.
Cut the video!
I know what it is, Jack.
Oh, nice Jack.
Bro.
Oh, yes, nice Jack.
Nice, Jack.
No, Cody, I don't want a photo with it, Cody. Get away. You take the photo. Josh, you sure you know how to reverse it?
Mate, I've been fishing for 15 years. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. Get out.
Go forward! What's happened, Josh? Yeah, tailwind isn't helping, is it? Every day is a good day for fishing. Every day. Lovely day on the water. Couple of bust ups. A wise man once told me, you gotta think like a fish to catch fish. So, I'm pretty sure a fish would be wanting to eat this right now. So I'm gonna give it a crack. I haven't caught much lately. I'm pretty bloody keen to get in there fishing. I need some more. I'm catching fish tonight.
We're lost in the Australian outback, east coast Arnhemland on the Arafura Seas. Day 12 now. We've been living off witchetty grubs for 12 days. About time we go catch some real food.
Pretty hungry, eh? Just a little bit, just pretty hard working with no food. We got to get some food soon.
See if we can get anything for dinner. Looks like a school of mullet up here. Looks like we're going to be eating good tonight.
Hey, boy. Mum's here with pizza. Come up and get some pizza.
If you enjoyed that content, make sure you go down there, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.